I didn't think I would come back to Notion, but this was worth it. This video is for anyone who wants to manage their personal life without feeling overwhelmed, stay organized with creative projects like music, art, or content creation, keep things running smoothly as a small business owner, or even just build better habits like sticking to a workout plan or trying to stay consistent with your goals. Anyone who just wants a system that works without overcomplicating things. It is 100% free. About 6 months ago, I was like done with Notion, completely done. I spent more time organizing than actually doing things. All these magical templates that were on YouTube that claim that they were going to change your life, you spend more time actually planning or entering in information. And after all the time spent entering in all that information and planning how you're going to do everything, you could have just finished the project already. And it was a tough pill to swallow that I realized I wasted so much time. I've tried so many different templates and I gave them time because I knew it takes time in order to get used to a new different workflow, but they were so complicated. I wasted so much time on it. It sucked. So I went back to paper. When I used paper, I was like, this is great, but maybe I can use an electronic planner to speed things up a bit. It felt like a full-time job just to maintain my projects, maintain my to-do lists. It was ridiculous. I do have a lot going on, balancing 2 jobs, music career, and also making YouTube videos. So I needed something that was a bit more than just pen and paper, just to help me be a bit more organized and autonomous. So that was where I decided to make my own template. After weeks of working on this, I feel that it works perfectly for me. I'm gonna be giving it out for free. A quick summary: project management, goal tracking, and task tracking all in one. This works with your life, not against it. You're gonna be able to track your projects and your overarching goals. Both of those tasks route into the same to-do list, and that's all you need. No over planning, nothing. Okay, so here's a template. At the heart of every template is a good mood board. You don't have to have this here. I like it. Love skiing, kind of my dream workspace here, dream studio, some funny guy with a synthesizer, and more skiing and coziness. I don't know. That's what I'm feeling right now. That's what I want to work towards. So I keep that pinned at the top. When we scroll down, we have our to-do list, which can be organized from today, this week, this month, anything overdue. If we want, we can take a look at all the tasks that we have. So where does this come from? This is generated from projects that I'm working on, as well as my goals for the year. All the tasks that either relate to one project or a goal, something repetitive, anything like that, it's all gonna feed into the same to-do list. I didn't wanna have projects and goals in the same place because goals are long-term, right? So I wanna make it a habit to go to therapy monthly. I wanna play 6 quality shows this year, so I have that in my 2025 goals. I don't want this long-term goal for the whole year to be clogging up my projects. So we separate it out into goals and projects. Now, if I look at what I have to do today, this is for my job. I have to send out a Zoom link for a school that I work for. Here, this is film. I'm filming this right now. And you can see what project it's under. I have to finish the arrangement of a track. This track, rave, eat, sleep, repeat. I want to finish the arrangement today. And here, strength and endurance, and also lower cholesterol. I have high cholesterol. I need to lower that by taking certain vitamins. So my PM vitamins are here, and gym and workout is here. Once I'm done with that task, let's say I'm done with filming, all I have to do, click this button, the task change to complete, and that's it. I broke these projects down into just ideas, planning, or in progress. So now we want to start a new project. We'll scroll down to projects, click new. I want to make a video on how I filmed my set last week at Marquee. So Marquee film set breakdown. This is gonna be a YouTube video. So right now we're planning it. I want to post this by next Wednesday, this is next Wednesday. This is in my YouTube. Priorities medium. So what are the tasks? We need to write script, film, edit, thumbnail, upload, and schedule. So I want to write the script by Thursday. I want to film by weekend, edit it the next day, thumbnail, I'll make that the same day, we can do both, upload it the next day, and we'll schedule it to go live that day. So now, when the time comes around, these tasks that I set with this project will automatically populate in the to-do list for that day. Same thing goes for a goal. If you have bigger long-term goals, this section is for you. These won't clog up your projects that you're actively working on because these are longer. These are year-long goals. So this is in a separate section. With the tasks that you need to accomplish, both the projects and the goals, they will feed into the same to-do list right here. And this has one-click checkoff system. Once you're done, you check it off, it disappears, on to the next one. I want to host 10 gatherings this year with my friends over at my place. So, host 10 friend gatherings. We're in the planning phase, or actually this is still an idea. So I'll do this by the end of the year. Do gathering 1, gathering 2. And we'll assign this by cool. This is for life. Priority, medium. Now once we complete one, boom. This will show your completion that you have along the way for that goal. Easy enough, right? This is where I'm going to keep track of doctor's visits. I want to make sure I'm hitting all my doctor visits. I would like to be at 1,000 YouTube subscribers by the end of the year. But this doesn't really have any specific subtasks. So I leave it blank. You don't have to have tasks or completion if you don't want to. If we look at the goals here, I want to host 4 family gatherings. So I have gathering 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have one coming up this Friday. So this is in progress. As soon as I click this, you'll see 25% done. Once I completed the second one, 50, 75, then boom, it shows your completion right here. So this project and goals hub, it outlines your completion on the side based on the subtasks that you've assigned to it. For example, I have a goal of playing 6 quality shows, right? So that's in progress, actually. I played 1 already. Show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I completed that one last week in Marquee, so I checked that off. And this is 1 out of 6. So it calculates the percentage that you completed right there. It's pretty cool. Now, not all goals are going to have specific subtasks, but I just keep them there to remind myself, right? I want to be more financially stable. I want to increase my strength and endurance, so I go to the gym every day. Now, if you want to get a little nerdy with the Notion stuff and you want to customize this a bit more, you can go into the project section. Here's where the database lives. You can see all the completed projects, planning. Here are the goals. Everything will be there, and that's it. This will help you track your career growth, fitness milestones, financial goals. There's no fluff. This has everything you need at a very high level just to stay on track. This will help guide you, but it's not going to overcomplicate things. It does require a little bit of prep, but once you set up each project, you open your phone or you open your Notion at the start of the day, everything you need to do is right there. You can play around with any of the settings that you want to make it fit for you. If you want this template for free, it'll be down in the description. If you enjoyed it, found this template useful, if you use it for your life, all I ask is you check out my music, subscribe if you'd like to. If you don't want to, that's totally fine. Enjoy the template. If you have any questions with configuration, please just leave a comment. I'd be happy to help you out. This template's not going to work for everyone, and that's fine. I made this template for me to fit my needs. It may not fit yours. If you have any suggestions, improvements, let me know. This is all a work in progress, but I feel like I finally found something that works for me, and I hope it does for you too. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.